Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate email templates with Stripo step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to stripo.email. Log into your Stripo account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once logged in, find and click on the Templates tab in the main menu. Select the option to create a new template from scratch or choose from existing templates. Design your email template using Stripo's drag and drop editor. Add elements like text blocks, images, buttons, and social media links as needed. Customize each element to match your brand's style and color scheme. Once your template design is complete, click on the Save button. Next, navigate to the Email Settings section in the left sidebar. Here, you can configure the subject line, preview text, and sender information. Now, click on the Automation tab to set up the automation process. Select the option to add an automated email workflow. Define the conditions for sending your email template based on user actions or segmentation. After setting the conditions, link your previously designed email template to this automation. Review all settings to ensure accuracy in triggers and recipient lists. Once satisfied, click on the Save and Activate button to enable your automation. Your email template is now set up for automation and will be sent as per the defined triggers. You can monitor the performance of your automated emails in the Analytics section. Make necessary adjustments to your template and automation settings based on the performance data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.